Are you looking to find those transferred photos in your Discord chat on PC after the latest update? It's easier than you might think. Let's dive right into it. First, start by opening the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all your chats and servers. Once you're in, navigate to the chat or server where you want to search for the images. This could be a friend's direct message, a group chat, or a server channel packed with content. Now, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a search bar waiting for you. Click on it to focus your search. In the search bar, type has.image without quotes. This powerful little command will filter the results to show only the messages that contain images. After hitting enter, watch how Discord instantly refreshes your chat history. You'll see all images that have been shared in that chat or server, making it super easy to find the photos you're looking for. Whether you need a funny meme, a cherished photo, or just want to revisit some great memories, this simple search method gets the job done in seconds. So there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can quickly view the transferred photos in your Discord chats. Happy searching, and enjoy reconnecting with those snapshots.